This is our backyard. August the 4th. The water is right up to here. Normally there's no water in here. Normally that creek sometimes is only a few inches deep. So right now, you see in here, this mound is about 4 feet high. It's almost underwater. It's coming through the fence line here. The fence is acting like a dam. So normally this is all dry. I don't see it. This is our little creek behind our house. Probably about 10 feet deep. It's just going crazy. There's our trees. They're about 3 feet underwater. I'm almost up to my knees. I'm up to my knees. Trying to see, I'm almost up to my knees. There's T on the phone. I'll try and post this on Facebook. Yeah, it's getting gradually worse downstream. We were bad, now the neighbor's bad. Yeah, it's flooded now up to the Forsythia. Right up to here now.